Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix App Store keeps asking for password, especially when you go ahead and try to install an app. Then to fix this, just come here and click on settings, okay? And from here I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see screen time. So come here and select screen time. And here I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see content and privacy restrictions. So click on this and just make sure this is toggled off, right? Now, once this is toggled off, come here, click back again. And now we're back to our settings, right? And what I need you to do is just go ahead and scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode. So click on this, enter your passcode, and just go ahead and turn this off. Okay, Face ID and passcode for iTunes and App Store. Toggle this off and you're done. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.